In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the GPT Store. Now, one thing that you do need to know, and that is you do need a paid subscription. Now, if we come down here to the left-hand corner and click on my profile, we can then choose my plans. So you're going to need the $20 per month ChatGPT Plus subscription. Now, once that you have that, all you want to do is come here to the left-hand side where it says Explore GPTs. So if we click on there, it's then obviously going to bring us to this page just here. And this is the GPT Store. This is where you can discover and create custom versions of ChatGPT that combine instructions, extra knowledge, and any combination of skills. Now they actually have a few different categories up here, with being top picks, which is all of these just here. You also have DALL-E, writing, productivity, research and analysis, programming, education and lifestyle. If there's a certain type of GPT that you're looking for, you simply click in the search bar and type in what you're looking for. So we could type in design, and it's going to pull up all of the design GPTs. Now to use any of the GPTs from the search bar, all you want to do is click on it, and then it's going to open in a new tab like this, and you can start using that GPT. Now if we come back over here, they have featured. So every single week, they're curating the top picks for that week. So for this week, we can see that it's Kayak, Diagrams, Canva, and CK12 Flexi. If we scroll down, we can also see Trending, and if we click on See More, we can see the top 12 trending GPTs. If we scroll down some more, we can see the GPTs created by ChatGPT and their team, and again, if we click on See More, we're going to see the top 12. Now if we scroll down some more, we're going to see all the GPTs from DALL-E, and again, we can click on See More. We can do this for writing and click on See More, and also productivity, research and analysis, programming, education and lifestyle. So that's just how simple it is to use the GPT Store. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.